Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. If you're a pro out on the job site doing trim carpentry or you're a GC, you need to know about this new product from Milwaukee Tool. What do we have, John?
Yep, so we have our new M18 Brushless 7¼ miter saw. We're really excited about this because it takes what we're doing on the FUEL brushless system with the brushless motor, the computer chip in the tool to talk to the computer chip in the battery, and we're giving customers a chance to cut the cord on those corded miter saws and get over 600 cuts on a single charge. The other thing is, this is one of the only miter saws in this size that is dual bevel and sliding. So we're really excited about this. This is going to get you through about 98% of all cuts you're going to do on a day. Totally great for guys that are on the go doing multiple jobs. And then we've got our 10-inch fuel miter saw over there, which is your standard. And that really just shows you how powerful our batteries actually are when the computer chips are talking to one another, because that is something you traditionally don't see on a cordless system.
How do you guys pull that off?
So the computer chip talks to the computer chip in the battery, and it knows it's on a miter saw. You take that same battery and you throw it on an impact driver, you're running deck screws, or you're doing demolition work with a Sawzall. It's going to change how it draws power to optimize it for the tool to give you the most power and most runtime.
You guys at Milwaukee, you're pretty smart.
We are, and it gets a little bit better because we have our new miter saw stand.
Yeah.
So as we were doing research for miter saws, we saw that guys wanted a lightweight, compact stand. So we have a new stand that's much lighter than its predecessor, but we also saw people rigging up their miter saw stands by welding on attachments, fastening attachments down to help them get through their job. So we sell accessories like a tabletop that clicks into this so that you can do all your measurements, do your cuts, be much more efficient.
That's awesome. This is the Milwaukee. Give us the model number again.
2733 7¼ fuel brushless miter saw.
That's awesome, and that's available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.